Hello everyone, welcome to another video of GradChip. If it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel below and let's get started. So today we'll speak about LinkedIn. Do you really need LinkedIn as a student or a graduate? While it may not be common in some careers like the medical field and arts and so on, LinkedIn is the biggest professional platform in the world, especially in Australia where we have 11 million people using LinkedIn. 11 million. Think about the potential reach of LinkedIn. So what does that really mean for a student? It means the following. If you're about to have an interview and that person is about to put your name in Google, LinkedIn will be the first or second result all the time. The algorithm is very smart. Your profile on LinkedIn will pop up for them. So it's like an online resume that makes it really easy for them to see your work and your experience and choose based on that. The other reason you might want to consider LinkedIn, there was a recent survey in 2020 for recruiters about their recruitment practices. And the most common platform for recruiters was LinkedIn. 95% in the recruitment industry use LinkedIn to find their candidates. So there's great reach in LinkedIn. The last and final point about LinkedIn is that you have the professional reach to connect with someone you have met. Think about it this way. You've just been to an interview or a networking event or a volunteering project. You connect with people, you meet them in real life, you have a nice chat, and then you want to keep in touch. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp are great channels. But professionally, if you want to keep that professional relationship, LinkedIn would be your go-to platform. So you'll have more connections with time, that you'll be able to get referrals to jobs, you'll be able to connect with people in the industry, you're able to be aware of what jobs are out there for your industry. So LinkedIn will become your main platform. As for what not to do on LinkedIn, we've addressed these deadly mistakes on LinkedIn that a lot of students do. Check the video here. But the message here is make a start on LinkedIn, get started, and you will learn with the process. Hope you found some value in today's video. Subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you in the next one.